everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to attempt and do like a Halloween makeup. I picked up a couple things from the dollar store that I'm going to be incorporating in this video. My vision for the look that I am going to be doing is like a glam clown.
Or you can be like a city clown.
Yes.
Or you can be a crazy clown.
Crazy clown, yes. I'm going to do like a glam eye look and kind of like a glam face, but with a little twist. I don't want to do anything like gory because I want to do something that I will personally wear for Halloween. I know Halloween this year we might not be doing trick-or-treating just because of COVID. My mom is going to be having a little Halloween party for the kids. Nothing crazy, about like probably 8 people tops. I don't know. And my cousin is also going to be doing one, so I want to do 2 different looks so I could get some photos in. That would be so cute for me and Steven, or Steven and I. But if you guys are interested in this video, please keep on watching. Before we get into it, please make sure that you are subscribed if you haven't already.
Or you can get a thumbs up.
Yes, give a thumbs up if you like it, and hit that notification down below so you don't miss out any of my videos. So let's just get right into this video. So the first part of this footage actually got deleted by mistake, but I'm gonna just have you guys watch this part. I always do my face and my eyes off camera. I'll leave everything down in the description box below what I use. If you want to see an in-depth tutorial on this makeup look, like the glam part, just let me know in the comment section below, and then I'll come to you guys when it's time for the Halloween portion. Starting my lips, I am going to go in with the MAC Liptensity in this black shade. Like I mentioned, I will leave everything down in the description box below because I forget the names of a lot of these things. But I'm lining my lips with this paintbrush, and then I fill in my lips with the lipstick. Then I go back in with a black eyeliner by LA Girl and really define my lips. I forgot that I had this, so I was like, wait, hold on, I could just line my lips with this. And then I go in with this kit that I got from the Family Dollar. It was literally $5. And I like it because it came with like these different colored creams, some like blood and like these little gooey things. I don't know. but I wanted to use the black and extend my smile line. It kind of reminds me of like Joker's face, so I was using the same brush to kind of extend it, and I wasn't really caring for like how my lips was looking because it was kind of doing like a U shape at the corners, and I wanted to kind of blend in. So I start overlining my lips very little. As you can see, I start like doing it little by little until I get the shape that I wanted. It's kind of hard to explain, but if you just watch closely, you see like right here, I'm extending it just a little higher, and then I go back in towards the Cupid's bow, and then I make it even thicker. So I line my lips pretty thick, and so it's like half of it is on my lips, half of it is on my skin. And then I wanted to show you guys that I went in with some setting spray just to wet my brush, because it was easier to use it with the cream being a little bit more like moist and not so drying. And that's why I was struggling on the other side, but when I got into my left side, it was so much easier because my brush was wet. Then to go in and kind of matte this shine out, I'm going in with my Morphe and James Charles palette, and I take the darkest shade and just stamp that all over where I put that cream. It was way too shiny for my liking, so I just do that, and yeah. Then I realized that this was looking a little too like, I don't know, like drawn on. So I actually take that black shade and I start kind of smoking it out on the lower part of the lip and the smile line. And I like that effect because it kind of gave it a mask type of feel instead of it just being like a drawn on face. So I'm just taking that black and smudging it out. Then moving on to the eyes, I kind of make this crystal diamond shape on my eyelid, bringing that from the lash line through my brows and then to my forehead. This was pretty easy. I didn't have no trouble with it. I didn't know what kind of shape I was gonna do, so I kind of just winged it, and I really love how it came out. And I'm taking that same cream from the little kit that I got from the drugstore or from the Family Dollar and just filling that in. Then I go in with the red from the shade and I start kind of like blending it on the edges, kind of making that same effect that I did on my lips, but to the eye shape. So it kind of looks like I got cut open, if that makes sense. So I didn't want to do like too much because I didn't want it to be too gory, but I felt like it gave more of like that clown effect with having that smudged out red look, and then not just, you know, just the black. It kind of gave it more depth. Then I also smudged that red on the mouth area to give more of like a ripped effect there. So I just go back in with the black cream, the red cream, and then the matte black to make sure everything was well blended. I kind of did the bottom a little sloppy, but that's totally fine. When I got to my other eye, I did something completely different. I was trying to do like a big triangle, but then I made this X and I was like, okay, let's just keep going. So if you guys like this look or this side, you can totally do that, but I thought it was kind of trash, so I end up taking it off later on. But I just want to show you guys, like, you know, it doesn't matter. Like, practice makes perfect. If you mess up, just try again. And yeah, so I kind of did the same thing, just like filling it in and then try to do the red smoked out effect. But I just really didn't like how this one looked. So yeah. Then I go in with my Nicole Guerriero palette and I use the blue kind of highlight shade. I can't remember the name. I said I'll leave everything down below, but I'm applying that like a little heavily on the high points of my cheekbones, my nose, and then my chin. And then that's when I apply my lashes. Then I go ahead and popped on my red wig. Then I decided, you guys, nope, I don't like it. So I took it off and I did something completely different. I did the same thing that I did on the other side. Then I took off the black lipstick because I felt like it was just too much black. And then I added a little bit more red lipstick by NARS. And then I'm going in with a little bit of glitter to put that in the center of the little slash and on my lips as well. So this is the completed look, you guys. For my first like Halloween makeup, I don't think I did too bad. I definitely struggled on this side of my face, but overall I think I did pretty well. Practice does make perfect. Hopefully doing this like a couple of times I will get it down packed for Halloween. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this little video, please thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comment section below what other videos you would like to see. You like it, boo boo?
Yes.
I look nice? What do I look like?
Harley Quinn.
I look like Harley Quinn?
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, I have nothing else to say, but I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.